Electra Construction Limited provides solutions for wide-ranging projects in the construction industry through its hundreds of workers and managers. Central Heights project is a 19-floor resident building with 96 apartments in Arvei Nachal Street in Givatayim. The investors are Ophir Structures and Mishhab. Micha Klein is the regional manager, while this project was assigned to engineer Chen Rotem and operational engineer Ido Rosenbaum. The project's work manager is Subhi Khalifa. Due to difficulties originated from the land conditions, the constructor was required to provide a unique solution: to build a particularly large concrete raft that covers an area of 1,500 square meters and will contain 2,400 cubic meters of concrete in 3 different levels. The challenge in this special solution is the continual casting around the clock of 3 different kinds of concrete in large quantities and variable levels in the middle of a residential neighborhood. The different concrete levels will be reinforced with 320 tons of steel that were placed during the previous 3 weeks by teams of professional iron benders and casting experts. A secondary contractor was entrusted with the task of casting. At 5 p.m., hundreds of mixers arrived at the site, some with the capacity of 12 cubic meters and carried on semi-trailers. 4 pumps channeled the first layer, 400 cubic meters of self-consolidating concrete compound, SCC. During the cold hours of the night, an extra pump was added for efficient casting of the primary level, which is enriched with coal ashes. Simultaneously, a geotechnical lab crew sampled the concrete to ensure its quality, and the routes around the building were managed by the Dan District Traffic Police Department. Next, the casting was finalized with 400 cubic meters of concrete enriched with nylon fibers to prevent elastoplastic fracturing. At 3 a.m., the concrete transport from the factories was almost complete, and until 8 o'clock, the teams were replaced with consolidation crews and concrete curing crews. Basic consolidation was carried out in the lower levels that will later be covered with filling soil. The upper parking level was consolidated with the use of helicopter vibrators, and all 3 of the levels were covered later with wet curing covers to preserve the humidity. Their next challenge is the integration of the building's walls with the external coating during the casting of the structure's ground floors. Till then, the crew will concentrate on building the underground parking floors and lower levels.